Talking birds. Some birds do more than just chirp, they chat. These amazing avians can mimic human speech with surprising accuracy. Here are 10 birds that talk the talk. African grey parrot. The African grey parrot is famous for its advanced vocabulary and clear pronunciation. It can learn hundreds of words and even use them in context. Budgerigar. Don't be fooled by its size. A budgerigar can mimic dozens of words and phrases. It often learns from daily interaction and responds in its squeaky voice. Yellow-naped Amazon. The yellow-naped Amazon is known for its expressive tone. It can develop a rich vocabulary and even mimic emotions in human speech. Indian ringneck parakeet. The Indian ringneck parakeet loves to talk and often mimics full sentences. It has a clear voice and learns quickly with repetition. Hill myna. The hill myna has an astonishing ability to mimic human voices. It can sound so natural that it's hard to distinguish from a real person. Blue-fronted Amazon. The blue-fronted Amazon is a chatterbox with a great memory. It picks up words easily and can mimic laughter and other sounds too. Electus parrot. The Electus parrot is known for its sweet voice and clear diction. It can learn a variety of words when trained patiently. Double yellow-headed Amazon. The double yellow-headed Amazon is a popular talking bird. It mimics songs, phrases, and can hold short conversations. Quaker Parrot. The Quaker Parrot is playful and highly vocal. It often mimics household sounds and clear sentences with surprising clarity. And finally, Cockatu. While not all are chatty, a cockatoo can mimic words and even sing. A cockatoo often picks up phrases it hears regularly and uses them playfully.